Hello everyone, this video I'm going to walk you through how to access your order and payment settings on Facebook. First thing you do is open up your Facebook app, tap on your profile icon, then you scroll all the way down, tap on settings and privacy to open up this menu, and then you can see orders and payments. So you tap on it, and here it gives you access to setting up your orders and payments for MetaPay. So you can see everything here. You can add your card, send activity, Facebook star, you can payment method, add your payment method by tapping on add payment method. You can edit your contact info here that you want to appear on your MetaPay. So your email address should be saved for the next time you use MetaPay, and if you share with merchants so they can complete your orders, then you type in your full name, phone number that you use for MetaPay, your delivery address also. Fill it all in. I want you to tap on OK, we're done. Then here, that's it. You have the option, so you can go to help and terms and privacy, security and control. Upon security and control, you can use PIN to confirm payments and change PIN. You can change your currency over here. So that is it. Hope you found it really helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.